Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. This video will teach you how to find the sum and the products of roots of quadratic equations. Let's start with question number 1. Let's identify A, B, and C. A is 3, B is -5, while C is -2. Let alpha and beta be the roots of this equation. Then alpha plus beta will be equal to -b over A. Here, alpha plus beta means the sum of the roots of this equation. And the formula to calculate the sum of the roots of this equation is -b over A. Since we said the formula for calculating the sum of roots of this equation is -b over A, so sum of roots equal minus, and our B value is -5 divided by A, and our A value is 3. Minus times minus gives plus, so we have +5 here over 3. Therefore, the sum of roots of this equation being alpha plus beta is equal to 5 over 3. Now, let's proceed to calculating the product of roots of this equation. Alpha beta represents the product of roots of quadratic equation, and the formula is C over A. Our C value is -2 over A, and our A value is 3. Therefore, the sum of roots of this equation is 5 over 3. While the product of roots of this equation is -2 over 3. Now, let's proceed to answering question number 2. Let's identify A, B, and C. A is 1 over 2, B is -3, while C is -1. Let alpha beta be the roots of this equation. Then the sum of roots of this equation is alpha plus beta. Formula to calculate the sum of roots of this equation is -b over A. So we have minus, our B value is -3. Divide by A, and our A value is 1 over 2. Minus times minus will have plus, so here we have +3. Divide by 1 over 2. 3 divided by 1 over 2 is equivalent to 3 times 2 divided by 1. 3 times 2 gives 6. 6 divided by 1, 6. Therefore, the sum of root of this quadratic equation is equal to 6. Alpha beta represents the product of roots of this equation, and the formula to calculate product of roots is C over A. C value is -1 divided by A. A value is 1 over 2. -1 divided by 1 over 2 is equivalent to -1 times 2 over 1. 2 times -1 divided by 1 gives -2. So alpha beta being the product of root of this equation is equal to -2. While the sum of root of this equation, that is alpha plus beta, is 6. Please, if you are getting value, do well to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Now let's answer question number 3. A here is 2, B is 3, while C is -1. Now let's calculate the sum of root of this equation. Will be equal to minus B, our B value is 3, over A, our A value is 2. Now let's calculate the product of root of this equation. The product of root is C, our C value is -1, over A, and our A value is 2. Therefore, the sum of root of this equation is -3 over 2, while the product of roots is -1 over 2. Now let's answer the last question. A is 1 because the coefficient of x squared here is 1, B is -4, while C is -3. So sum of roots is equal minus B, and our B value is -4 over A, and our A value here is 1. Minus times minus is plus, so here we have +4. 4 divided by 1 gives 4. Therefore, the sum of roots of this equation is equal to 4. Product of root of quadratic equation is C over A, and our C value is -3 divided by A, our A value is 1. -3 divided by 1 is equal to -3. So the sum of root of this equation is 4, while the product of roots is -3. I hope this video helps. Please drop your questions or topics you want us to cover in future video. Also, do well to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. And in case you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Please stay tuned for the next video where I will teach you how to construct a quadratic equation with given roots. Thanks so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.